Hello everybody. I just love some good surprises right up here. So I am at, whoa, I just hit a branch with my head. So I am at this Mavis Tires and Brakes for a non-related issue. Not to my car. I'm helping my mom get herself some new tires. And I look in the back, and look at this Buick Roadmaster. Awesome looking vehicle. Awesome. So from Illinois, I am a sucker for these cars. We all know that. But wow, just to see this thing in person. Now this is, I'm guessing it's either an employee's car or it's a customer's car. Can't really be sure. I'm not sure if it's here for for tires and brakes. And this used to be NTB, but I guess NTB was bought by this Mavis Tires and Brakes company. So not really sure what's going on there. But last time I was here for my own need on a previous car, I was here for NTB. But in any case, so look at this thing. Oh my God, like 20 feet probably. I'm having a hard time. I'm standing way back, like 2 parking spots away, so I can actually capture this thing. And anytime I see these vehicles, I have to film them. Now I might be approached right now and kind of asked why, what, who, what's going on. So I'm going to be careful not to attract attention, but at the same time, I am a paying customer, and hopefully I will not be bothered. Now, I also want to check this out. So, all right. So I just got confirmation. This is an employee's car. He said he had it for about 2 years. I did ask him for permission to film. He said okay. I did tell him that I'm not gonna, go inside of this thing, but very interesting that, he said, yeah, go ahead. Yeah. So there you go. I mean, these things are huge cars. I mean, wow. Now, we have huge cars right now too, and oh wow.
That's the way it is. I do a little e-scoop here. It still doesn't work, unfortunately.
Well, that's fine. That's okay. All right, so the owner was actually nice enough to show me the car. I didn't want to film it or ask for permission, so we talked. Told me a lot of good stories, and in one way, his story is much too similar to mine. As far as his wife doesn't like it, he does. Has a lot of work put in there, and you kind of see some of the pictures in a little video clip I took of the engine. It's painted, a few things here and there. So I'm just kind of waiting for the tire to be patched. So my mom actually had a flat tire with a nail in it that'll be patched, and that'll be the end of it. So yeah, overall, there's a lot of love and work. He told me so many different things about this car that that I can't repeat. And there's actually a Vista roof. A lot of it is mechanical, which I try to keep up the conversation, but I cannot contribute to it because I don't know the in and outs of these things. So there you go. There you have it. It's a little Buick Roadmaster, and when I say little, I mean huge. So let's see here. Got these nice Buick little symbol there on wheels. They're actually missing on the other side, so there's that. Got this little window, this little wooden trim pieces here and there. I'm not gonna go into the interior, but I will post some pictures. You guys know how they look. There's a few things out there that that's broken, obviously. So there it is. Lovely as always. So let's see, there you go. Yeah, so little setter things are missing or fell off or whatnot. That's what I'm talking about. The beauty of the hobby, car spotting. There's a Mitsubishi Galant over there that's been pimped out a little bit. Not too interested in that, although cool cars nonetheless. All right, well, little surprising exploration. We'll see you, everybody.